he emailed Holiday World as me, as Kai. He's like, hello, my name is Kai, and my stepfather would like to... And then, because you guys went on Friday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well,
so,
he did.
Yeah, so leaving the park Friday, he asked like one of the attendants, and then the attendants was like, hey, basically, like, we're not checking ID.
Yeah.
Like, if we're on verbal, like, if they say that's your dad, like, we're gonna honor it.
Yeah,
So
we don't care. Yeah.
So it's like,
Let's go.
beautiful ride.
Yeah.